Hi friends, let's fabricate an Adams clasp on mandibular molar. This is first permanent molar, that is 3/6. Now to decide on the width of the bridge of the Adams clasp, we consider the cuspal tips on the buccal aspect and divide the tooth into 3 equal halves, that is the medial third, the middle third and the distal third. And to decide on the height of the bridge of the Adams clasp, we divide the tooth into 3 equal halves considering the gingival third, the middle third and the occlusal third. So the things that we require is a 21 gauge straight wire, around 12 centimeters would be enough, then a universal plier, Adams plier, a wire cutter and the cast itself. Now marking the width of the bridge of the Adams clasp, we first mark 2 points on this straight wire. Then with the help of the Adams plier, we form a 90-degree loop, and this would be a U loop with 90-degree bends. So we form a U loop with 90-degree bends and the arms spread apart as this. And for arrowheads formation, we can use the universal plier at the tip to form as sharp beak as possible with the beak itself, and this will help in forming the pointed arrowheads as we desired. Remember that we are following the bends in a same plane, that is every bend that is done is formed to keep the plane same. Now we are bending the loops into the desired position as you can see over here, keeping the plane same. For $1 million bend, we move the arm outwards then inwards like this, and it is at an angulation of 45 degree, outwards and then inwards. Now this is what a $1 million bends look like. So after doing the $1 million bends, we get to see the arms engaging into the occlusal embrasures. So we need to now proceed with the occlusal adaptation by bending the arms forwards. And always remember that we are keeping the plane same at all the points of our fabrication of Adams clasp, as you can see over here. Now we proceed with the lingual adaptation, forming the retentive arms, following the anatomy of the lingual aspect of the cast. And after formation of the retentive arms, we proceed with tagum or return arm fabrication, and this is done with the beak of the universal plier. So once done with all the adaptation, check for the final adaptation, and if there are anything that require corrections, it can be done at this stage. So this is our Adams clasp, and it should be passive, that is once we remove the Adams clasp, it should come out easily with the help of fingers, and it should not be engaged into the embrasures, and the angulation of the bridge is 45 degrees. So hope you got all the points. This is final Adams clasp. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.